Hello kids, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I'm your math teacher Rashi. In this video we'll learn something beautiful thing, and before going to start that topic, I want you to collect some small size of circle shape, any circle shape which you have, but it should be a very small in size. Okay, so go and bring. Okay, and you can see now I am also having some small circles. You can see a very small circle of this ball, picture of that ball. Okay, look, I have a lot of bindis also. That bindi is round in shape, circle in shape, which is small of that ball. I have another bindi which is also the size of that bindi is also smaller than this. Okay, I have one more bindi. You also collect a different size of round circle and arrange in a descending order or a decreasing order, like that. Okay, so you can see in this figure, these figures are the smaller in shape, but you can see all are in circle. Their sizes are changed, but the shape of the bindis are the same. And what is the shape? All are circle. Very good. So you can see these sizes are reduced. The size of that ball is reduced. You can see the bindi. This is in a circle in shape. This is also in a circle in shape. All are circle in shape, and the sizes are reduced. Yeah. Now I didn't find anything which is smaller than this. So I'll make that a smaller circle. See. Yes, is it visible? Yes. Now, oh my god, this is what the smaller circle which I made. Imagine, what is this? Yeah. Okay. So you can see this one, but this is a smallest. I try to make a circle, smaller shape. So now if I try to make it more, I just put it like this. This is the smallest size that you can see, which the sizes of the circle is reduced, and this is called a, we read this in a geometry part. What is that? This is called a point. Excellent kids, you did a good job. Look, so we cannot see a point properly, but we can see a small dot. So you can call it a dot also. Yeah. So a point is a small that is actually cannot be seen at all. So this is, or we can say this, a point is a small that it actually cannot be seen. You cannot see that point. Yeah, it is very small in size at all. So we represent it with the help of a dot. That's why we call it dot also. The point is labeled with a capital letter. Whenever the point is, suppose this is the point, we can label it in a capital with a capital letter. We can put a, we can put dot, we can call it B, we can call it C. In a geometry, you can generally see this one. This point, this circle, you know that this circle has a radius, this circle has a diameter. We can measure this circle with its radius. You can measure this circle with the length and the breadth of the circle. You can measure these circles, but we cannot measure these points. So point is a small, that is actually we cannot see it all, and the point we cannot measure these points. We cannot measure these points with the length and the breadth. That is a point. Okay, I hope you clear of your doubt about the point. So kids, before ending of this video, I want to ask you a question, and that is, okay, does the point have any length and breadth? Please comment and send your answer through a comment. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Bye.